In this video, I'll show you how to get to the download upload status. This way you know how much time is left for your game to download or upload stuff. So let's say you are on the main screen of your PS5. You can also be in a game, it does not matter. What you need to press is the PS button here. And you're gonna have all these icons down below. You simply need to scroll until you select download upload. It's one of the middle option. And from here, you're going to see under downloads everything that is currently happening. So right now I'm downloading Rocket League. It's 3 hours left. Well, and you can see the status bar right under it there. Everything that got installed, everything that is finished installing will be down below here. And let's say you're currently downloading a game and I don't know, maybe you want to pause it or maybe you change your mind, you don't want it anymore. Simply press the X button on the PS5 controller, then X again. And you're gonna have two different options. You're gonna have pause. So let's say you want to download it tomorrow for, I don't know what reason. Just press the pause button and it will be paused the way it was. It will stay like this. Nothing will get deleted. If you press again, you can resume it. And if you select cancel and delete, well, it will completely disappear from the downloading list over there. And this is about it. If you have many games that got installed in this list and you don't want to see them anymore because I don't know, they're annoying you, you can click on one of these. Okay, this game got installed. I'll click on it. I'll click X again and I press the clear button right there. It will not delete the game. It will just remove it from the download list so it does not bother you anymore. You see, you can clear everything so it looks clean. So this is about it. This is how you find the status of your downloads and uploads. Can be done in a game, in the main menu. Just press the PS button. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.